We are in Buccheri, the ice town in the Iblei Mountains, in the province of Syracuse, located at an altitude of 1,000 meters. Snow used to fall abundantly here every year, and when it fell from the late 500s until World War II, it was collected and stored in the so-called neviere, which is an ice house. The snow, stored for 6 months, around April was pulled out in blocks and transported first in the traps of Syracuse that needed snow. Snow was used at first both to refresh drinks and to treat the sick. The snow from Buccheri and Mount Etna left from Malta, where they were the large hospitals of the Knights of Malta. Mountain towns like Buccheri delivered great income from this trade. In the winter, the workers did not remain inactive. Teams of workers were busy for at least a week. Then they were the workers in charge of taking care of the snow inside the neviera.
Poi c'erano quelli specializzati che curavano.
Then there were those who pounded and compacted it, those who in the spring until the fall extracted it. Then there were the bordonari, that are the mule drivers, who loaded it on mules to take the snow to the Syracuse and Ragusa areas, to Modica and Noto, to all the towns where there was a refined aristocracy which required the snow to package sherbets, granitas and ice cream. The great invention of the Sicilian was to separate the syrup to be cooled from the freezing ice. The two were separated in the sherbet maker, which was an old Sicilian invention. Sicilian and Neapolitan sherbet makers were known throughout the world and taught the people of the Mediterranean to make sherbets and ice cream. But they always remained the most skilled and in demand throughout Europe. Just think that it was a Sicilian who brought ice cream to France. During this period, they used special sherbets made from citrus fruits, lemon, and in particular, the mandarin known as marzuolo, to make an exceptional sherbet that is still made here in Buccheri.
Che non è stato, ma non stai venendo, ti saccavo tutto sto tempo.
And you finally arrived, not even if you came from Brocauda.
Va,
Here's the snow. Work!
perfetto.
And let's make some sherbet. We will fill the recipient with ice and salt to lower the temperature. We pour into the well lemon juice, brown sugar, a little bit of water, a little bit of lemon zest. Nice and fragrant.